we guide you through how to transfer YouTube channel to another Google account. So the first thing you need to do is to open your YouTube account that currently owns the channel. Then go to the YouTube Studio. From there, click Settings, then Permissions, and select Manage Permissions, which will redirect you to your Google brand account settings. Next, click Invite New Users and enter the email address of the Google account you want to transfer. Then, set the rule to honor. After that, confirm the invitation from the new account's email inbox. Once accepted, go back to the permission section and change the new user's rule to primary owner. But note that Google requires a waiting period of about 7 days before full ownership can be transferred. After waiting period, return the same settings and confirm the switch by removing the previous owner if needed. Make sure both accounts remain active during the process to avoid any interruptions. And finally, log into your new Google account and verify that your YouTube channel appears under your list of channels. And that's it. Your YouTube channel is now successfully transferred to another Google account.